Alright, y'all, we're here at Fun Spot Atlanta. I haven't been here in over a year. Obviously with the announcement of a closing, gotta visit, what was that? I was at Cedar Point 2 weeks ago. I can't wait to ride Air Force One again because it's been a while. I haven't been on it like in a year. So we're gonna do that and probably get like, my goal today is 20, but I'm probably gonna get more than that, obviously. But you know, it's good to see some people here. It's not busy, but it's only like about 11 o'clock. So overall vibes of here. I'm not planning on really doing that much filming today. I just kind of want to show you guys the overall experience and look before the park closes, obviously. But yeah, I will talk to you guys probably a little later, update you guys on my ride count. So yeah. Update. Been 15 rides on this so far, and yeah, it's been fun. Been getting a lot of rides, meeting some great people all over the world. Yeah, just taking some off rides. Yeah, it's really hot, so I might do some rides later. Actually, probably after this, might do one more ride, but let me get to 20. But yeah, let's get some off rides. Oh my god.
I wonder what's going on up there.
Bro, he literally stopped. Maybe it's just chilling. Maybe it's just a block.
Probably.
This block is occupied by the oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, it's fine now. Y'all, got 21 22 rides on this. Can't see it. And the storm is coming. I say that's really good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay. I may stay, but yeah, I might come back here soon, later. We'll see. But yeah.
One week later.
Y'all, we're here at my final visit to Fun Spot. Been here probably about a good 6 times ever. Got to visit this park before Air Force One and after. Got to see this park literally be built Air Force One. And yeah, also today's my birthday. I'm turning 21 today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
So I'm like, why not celebrate my birthday with Fun Spot? Also, it's raining. But yeah, next couple days are gonna be very busy. It's pouring actually a little bit more heavier now. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to Minnesota. Mall of America's tomorrow. Then Valley Fair is on Tuesday. And yeah, but yeah, let's get inside and enjoy Fun Spot on my last visit. Alright, but got inside. My goal today is to get 12 rides. I'm at 148 of lifetime rides, so I'm trying to get at least one.
Are you sure about that?
We'll see how it is. We're gonna kind of do it in like break up phases. But yeah, it's gonna be really sad losing this place, especially since it's not too far away. Luckily traffic was good, so it took about 40 minutes to get here. But usually the traffic is horrible. About an hour to get here, but that's why I don't really visit here that often. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in line for Air Force One. I just got 2 rides. I did it once in like row 4, and then I did in front row. I waited a good little minute. I waited probably an hour. The line is long, but it's doable. I'm gonna go inside, probably get some food, and probably get a beer. See how that experience is. But yeah, the line is long, but it's tolerable. After you get from like the stairs, everyone's doing the back row, which back row's fine, but it's nowhere near the best row in Erie. So it's tolerable. I'm at 150 lifetime, so I'm gonna see if I can try to get to 150, but honestly, it's not really a priority at all. I'm gonna do the other rides before coming back to Erie, and yeah, I'll probably get to y'all probably a little later. Hey y'all, this is my first ever legal drink as an adult, as a 21-year-old, and I'm sharing it at Fun Spot. So actually, this is really good. This is really, really good. It's super sweet, because as of right now, I only really like sweet drinks. So, but yeah, about to get some food, and yeah, all hell.
Julian! I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
I haven't done Hurricane in years. Actually, I done it the last time I was here for my birthday. So, you know, we're gonna make it a tradition and go ahead and do it again. And this is the first time I've ever seen it with a line. So that's pretty cool. But yeah. Anyways, let's do Screaming Eagle, because this is what it's called, and it will forever be called that. Alright, I just got off Hurricane. I waited a good little minute for it. It broke down, and yeah. But you know what? It's cool. It's cool. It's the last time I'm ever riding it. So unless it decides to end up at like Fun Spot, Orlando, or Kissimmee, which it's more likely to go to Orlando, but most likely it's gonna get scrapped. But you know, either or. Either or. We're gonna get off rides of Air Force One. And then get a couple more rides, and then yeah, calling it a day here. But yeah, let me talk to you guys probably a little later also. I'm getting my last official ride on this. I'm not gonna do a crazy ride. I told myself I was gonna do 12. I don't feel like doing 12 because I don't want to be here all day. So my last official ride on Air Force One, signing out at 151 lifetime rides on this. Oh man. See how long the line is. Oh, there's no line. So maybe re-rides? I'm not sure. For now, we're gonna say this is my last ever ride on this. So, yeah. So y'all, that does it. I got my last ride. So good. I rode in Road 2. Road 2 is forever goated on Airy. Man, it's gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss this park. I miss having a world-class roller coaster in my backyard. But you know, stuff unfortunately happens. I did Hurricane, the Sea Serpent. Yeah, that kind of does it here for Fun Spot. Great park. You know, it's gonna hurt. It hurts. But yeah, y'all, I will talk to you guys bright and early tomorrow when we're on our way to Valley Fair, and well, not Valley Fair, but Minnesota.